Ready to share your expertise with the world? Let's create a course that's not just good, but great. First up, nail your niche. Focus on a specific topic where you shine brightest. This makes you the go-to expert. Research your audience, understand their needs, pain points, and what they are looking to learn. Create a detailed course outline. Break it down into manageable modules, each building on the last, making learning easy and fun. Develop engaging content. Use a mix of videos, quizzes, and downloadable resources to keep your learners hooked from start to finish. Structure your content smartly. Each module should have clear objectives and outcomes. Record high-quality videos. Invest in good equipment and ensure your audio and visuals are clear. Edit your videos professionally. Use editing software to add graphics, animations, and transitions to make your content more engaging. Content is king, so make it engaging. Use storytelling techniques to make your lessons more relatable. Incorporate interactive elements. Use quizzes, assignments, and discussions to keep your students engaged. Keep your learners hooked from start to finish. Marketing time. Create a buzz before you launch. Use social media, email marketing, and your website to generate excitement. Tease your audience with sneak peeks and exclusive offers. Offer early bird discounts to encourage signups. They'll be lining up to enroll. Don't forget social proof. Collect testimonials from beta testers. Good reviews can be your best marketing tool. Display reviews prominently on your course page. This builds trust and credibility. Build a community around your course. Engage with your students through live Q&A sessions or forums. Offer additional support. Provide resources, answer questions, and be available for your students. Their success is your success. So, get out there and create something amazing. Your journey to becoming a top-notch course creator starts now. Choose the right platform for your course. Make sure it offers the features you need. Set up your course on the platform. Customize the settings to match your teaching style. Test your course thoroughly before launching. Ensure all links, videos, and resources work perfectly. Gather feedback and continuously improve your course. Listen to your students and make necessary adjustments. Celebrate your success and your students' achievements. Recognize their progress and milestones. Keep innovating and expanding your course offerings. Stay updated with industry trends and incorporate new ideas. Network with other course creators and learn from their experiences. Join online communities and attend virtual events. Enjoy the rewards of your hard work and dedication. The future is bright for you as a course creator. The future is bright for you as a course creator. Keep pushing forward and continue to inspire others with your knowledge.